some birds. Look. Look. He's shivering. He's cold. You cold?
Nervous.
He's nervous. It's okay. We're here. We're here.
It'd be nice to live down here, really.
Right. You have enough?
You've had a good look round. Your eyes are popping out your head.
The sun is out, George. You scared of the swans? Come on, let's get this one.
A few cat birds.
Yeah, he
Go
loves
after
that.
birds.
See, do you want to see the swans? He'll get scared. He'll get scared of swans. Look, so many swans, George. Look. Oh, that noise, Andrew. Should I bring the bag? He's scared of swans. It's okay. Andrew, come on, let's go. You want to lie down? Here, hop, hop, hop. Hop. Come on, let's go. Yes. Don't jump, there's dogs there. She's cold. Oh. Where are you going? Daddy's there. Daddy, Andrew, call him. On, get to Daddy. You're so dramatic, George. Wait, Andrew. Come on, get to Daddy. Look, he's gonna go in now. You're very naughty, George. You're very naughty. Oh, he's scared. Good boy. Did you enjoy that, George? Did you enjoy it? Oh.